respected dignitaries, teachers, and my dear students. Today is a day of pride, patriotism, and celebration. And what makes this occasion even more special is the gracious presence of a personality whose name is synonymous with service, education, leadership, and social responsibility. It is now my absolute privilege and honor to welcome our esteemed chief guest, Honorable Maulana Badruddin Ajmal Sahab, MLA Binna Gandhi constituency, founder managing trustee Ajmal Foundation, and former member of parliament for 3 consecutive terms, Dhubri. So